Hello guys, thanks for coming to my channel. Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you how I do this seal stamp set. So first you take a silicone sheet, keep it on your table and keep a matchbox ready with you. So first you take the candle out and then you light it up. So after you keep the candle ready, take the wax. So you might get some spoon like this. So take the wax. You can add at least minimum 5 or 4. 4 or 3, I mean. So I'm gonna be adding 3. In case the wax is a little less. Okay. So now you take the spoon and keep it under the candle and wait for some time until the wax melts. So guys, it takes a lot of time, so right now it's just melting. So it's gonna take a lot of time. And by the way, this is the stamp. You can see it's a flower. So you can see the texture of the wax. Okay, so the wax is melted. So now I'm gonna pour it in the silicone sheet. But so after you pour it, you have to wait for 1 minute and then put the stamp. So now I'm gonna pour it. So I have put this stamp. Well, it came nice, not that bad. So I'll meet you guys in the next video. Bye.